Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the new YouTube video editing Create app which is called YouTube Create. So first of all you just need to go to your Play Store here, and after opening the Play Store you just have to go to the Google search bar here and then search for YouTube Create here. Search for YouTube Create and you will find this YouTube Create application here. So just tap on this YouTube Create here and just tap on install here, and as you can see it will start to download and install in your Android phone here. So if you have iPhone you have to go to your App Store to download this. As you can see it's starting to download here and it's only 57 MB right now. So that's it guys, this is how you can download and install the YouTube Create app in your Android phone here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.